We've been getting really busy lately with the increased emphasis on new builds and also on renovations. A lot of people are staying at home during COVID, looking at their house and thinking that they really need to take steps to spruce it up a little bit. We've been in this tile shop for 15 years now, so we've got a well built up knowledge about the tile industry. When we first came in here, 9 out of every 10 bathrooms we sold were in blue and white, and I think that's largely because Geraldton's a coastal area. Then blue died and we went to chocolates, then we went to charcoals. Now some blues and some colour are starting to make a comeback. What we've been noticing for the last couple of years is that grey and white are the new neutrals. So a lot of people have been going for grey and white tiles. They might go for grey on the floor and a white or even a pale grey on the walls. Or the other style that's really popular is the Moroccan look, where we've got a patterned floor and lots of white tiles next to that. This is a new range of tile. It's made in Italy. It's called the Evolution tile, and it's got a lovely feature on it. So we've got some natural stony looks here. Stony looks will never ever date, and they're very easy to keep clean because there's a bit of a pattern on them, and we've got a stony look to suit everyone's budget. Whatever your tile query, whether it's a bathroom leak or a full-scale renovation or a total new build, come and see us for advice on styling and practicality.